Welcome to Udyamo HRMS. Today, I will guide you through the simple process of submitting an overtime request with ease. Start by logging into Udyamo HRMS. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, head to the attendance section in the sidebar and select the overtime tab to access your overtime options. Once you are in the overtime section, click on Add Overtime. This will open a simple request form for your overtime details. Now, fill out the form with the required information, including the date, start time, the number of extra hours, and the reason for your overtime. Be sure to provide as much details as needed. Once your form is complete, click Submit. Your overtime request will be sent to your manager for review. And that's it. Your overtime request is now in the system. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips on using Udyamo HRMS.